This is Novi Sad railway station. It shows some milestones for the company, and one of the biggest and most recent milestones is this train SOKO, which is a super fast train and goes from Novi Sad to Belgrade in 33 minutes, which is pretty phenomenal actually. They redid the platforms here in Novi Sad, and they also redid part of the railway, or actually most of it, and it's pretty nice. It's good. The next one is leaving at 2 o'clock. We'll see how fast it goes. It should go 200 kilometers an hour, I think.